There's a lot going on and has been going on for the last couple of days. Sorry, I took a few days off. However, within the last 2 days, we not only had Saturn and Neptune come together at 0 degree Aries. If you want to know more about that, that's definitely the video to go see. Not only did that happen, but we also had the 222 portal. And we are now moving into Mercury retrograde. So if you want to learn more about the energy within the last 2 to 3 days, definitely stick around.
Guys, isn't human life just so freaking crazy?
All right, guys. So this has been overall a lot of, I just see eyes opening. Before I totally get into this, I'm so sorry. If you don't know me and you're new here, I'm Chloe from the Galactic Soul, also known as Chloe Sheds Light. I'm a consciousness teacher, but also an energy empath, and I help people understand the universe and what Christ consciousness is. So if that's anything having to do with you and your studies or your thought processes, then definitely hit subscribe below. But the energy coming in today, it's like eyes are opening. Finally, eyes are opening. And it is getting to the point now where people are shifting left and right, and they don't really know what's going on. They just feel a little bit confused, a lot of brain fog happening. And I feel as if there's a lot of us that do understand what's going on, that are getting the hint to be more open about all of this information. Whether you're getting a hint to do exactly what I do and talk about it online, whether you are just ganging up the courage to talk to your partner about it or anything like that, it is going to really put you in a different perspective. So I definitely say go for it if you are getting that nudge. But if you are just starting to realize and understand the subconscious and conscious mind and really bringing that to the forefront, you're going to be opening more and more and more to a lot of information that you thought was not available, but it is available for you. This is infinite possibilities, infinite knowledge, and we are just scratching the surface here. A lot of news is coming out or has been coming out the last couple of weeks, and a lot more is going to start coming out as well. Just to give you a little bit of info about what happened on the 20th. The 20th is the Saturn and Neptune at 0 degree Aries. That was a huge transition. And it's not just a transition of new things are coming into your life, left and right, blah, blah, blah. No, it is a whole brand new outlook on how you are living your life. Then we had the 222 portal. And the 222 portal is finding harmony, finding balance within your life. And that is when the light bulbs come on, because you're starting to realize, oh, this is not working for me. That's going in the trash. And you might have been feeling that kind of energy where you're just ready to get rid of crap, whether that was you cleaning your home this weekend and literally just throwing stuff out. If you haven't used it in the last 6 months, in the trash. Anything having to do with purifying or cleansing, that was the vibe of 222, okay? And that wasn't only in a physical layer within your life, that was also in a mental layer within your life. Okay? And by mental, there was high frequencies within the last 3 days, and it was super, super consistent at 12 hertz. And again, these are very low frequencies, but on the Schumann resonance, we can see that consistent, and you'll see down here, that very consistent line at the 12 hertz mark. Now, 12 hertz is between alpha and beta. It's the tipping point between two, and that is the calm consciousness and going into consciousness awake mind, alpha into beta. But I really do think that this has been a clearing within the calm consciousness. So that feeling right before you wake up, or the feeling of your dreams going crazy, okay? I have had so many crazy wild dreams within the last weekend, at least within the last 5 days. Everyone that I know, my partner, friends, they have been having crazy wild dreams. And it wasn't crazy wild dreams that were somewhat nightmare. It was dreams that just didn't really make sense. But when you dig deep and find out what those specific symbols mean in dreams, wow, huge awakening. A lot of foundation dreams are coming to light. A lot of them are being remembered. And that is because, well, the reason why we have dreams is to allow the subconscious to speak to us. And with these heightened frequencies at these specific levels, so at the 12 hertz mark, it really allows us to remember these dreams. Because what it is telling us, what the universe is telling us, is that it's time to acknowledge what your subconscious knows and change what is happening in your conscious day-to-day life. So for example, a dream that one of my friends, they had basically a platform and a car ran into the platform and demolished the stage. And there was stuff laying on top of the stage and it kind of all crumbled down. And that was foundational. That was, hey, look at the cracks in your foundation. Look at your stability, where you're going from here. We got to look at the nitty gritty. It's no longer the details that are on top, because if your foundation is not strong, it's going to fall in anyway. So dreams like that, or plane crashes, a lot of dreams with plane crashes, trying to figure out what that means can be scary, because you're watching this plane crash. You're not physically in the plane. You can be, but you're not physically in the plane, but you see this plane crash. And that usually means, or has a meaning of, you not having control in your waking life. And once you start looking at your dreams and the symbolism of the things in your dreams, and you bring that into your conscious mind, wow, what am I letting control of? What is running my life? And it really is an eye-opening exchange from your subconscious to your conscious mind. So the homework that I'm giving you is, if you had any crazy dreams this past weekend, if you had any crazy wild thoughts, look those up and look up the symbolism of every single thing within those dreams. It is an eye-opening thing to where I now have a note on my phone of crazy wild dreams, and I dissect them. I relate them to my physical life. And this is not, well, I had a crazy wild dream. No, take note of the crazy wild dreams. Take note of the dreams that wake you up suddenly and you're dripping sweat. Take note of those. Some of them might be nightmares of a dear friend or a family member passing, right? But that's not what it means. That's not the main goal here. So for example, that somebody passing away or something like that, look up the symbolism of who they are to you. An uncle, an aunt. You have to dig deeper. The subconscious talks in many different levels and at many different stages within our lives. And these portals opening up and these shifts happening within the sky, creating a different pull on us as humans, that is huge. Also, if you made it this far, energy update, a lot of cross-hatching as well. If you see in the middle of the graph, that was early yesterday morning. So that was right after the portal, or 222 portal. So that makes sense, because the portal opened right on 222, but also stays open for a little bit. It stays open for 3 to 5 days, depending on if you're working with the energy or not. So the early morning of 223, and again, this is in UTC +7. So this early morning energy with all of these cross-hatching, and there are a few long lines for the full graph, but not much. We are focusing on our subconscious here. And these higher frequencies are A, pointing stuff out that we need to acknowledge, but also B, they are reworking how our brain works. And if you want to know more about how I read the Schumann resonance and how it makes sense to me, definitely check out that video, because that explains so much. I am doing part 3 this week, so definitely subscribe if you want to know more about the Schumann resonance and how it affects us as humans. But then going into this morning, we had a blackout. It was probably for a half hour or so. Usually a blackout, in so many words, means a timeline jump. This is actually super relevant for me, at least, because this is showing what the past few days did. It is a full clearing, and I feel a little bit weird and off today. And whenever there is a true timeline shift, or things in our past were overwritten, or things in our future are overwritten due to the collective awareness and the leveling up, I'm feeling it. And please let me know in the comments if you are feeling it as well, or give me a thumbs up or whatever, because this is absolutely a full timeline jump. If there was data, it would be there. This wasn't a technical glitch. If it was a technical glitch, it would have just filled in over time. But this is a true leap in time, and it's a very short one, so it's not a huge shift. However, I am intuitively feeling that this timeline jump is something where it is allowing us to realize what gives us balance, what gives us harmony, what allows us to be ourselves. And it's pointing that out. And I feel like there is a collective shift here where we are focusing on what makes us happy. We don't care anymore. And it's on that next level of understanding who you truly are and stepping in and embodying that person, embodying that being, because you've always been that person. It's just your ego has been protecting that person. So we will see what happens for the rest of today. But since that timeline jump, the energy has been very, very low. Okay, so I will definitely keep you updated. And if you want updates for big news flashes or anything like that, definitely subscribe, because if there is a spike within the graph and I can't really get to an actual update, I do post on YouTube about it. Also, as a little insight, I am working on something that is really, really awesome. And I cannot wait to really just rip the Band-Aid off. But it really is going to be huge for my followers, because it's really putting everything I know into a community other than my YouTube community. So if you are very much into living a conscious life, definitely stick around. Make sure you subscribe. That way you can get updates on it. But I am very excited for what's to come. So definitely stick around for that. But other than that, I am sending you so much love, so much light, and stay stellar, my friends.